So there was one time, there's one fine girl like that. I will not tell you how we met, which is the connection, and I will not tell you how we became acquaintance. All I know is that the girl, why don't you go out? Da, 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 da. I'm like, I don't go out. Like, but I really like the girl. Beautiful. She has a car, and at that time I didn't have a car. That was like in 20. That should be like 2021, January or February. No, January 2021. So then she told me we were going to Lekki. Oh, it was a night walk. I mean, that I used to go out there. So no, it was evening actually. So he told me here to meet her. So I went there, took a boat. Is it boat or boat? I don't know whichever one. So I got there. The place was so exotic. I could not enter. It was so exotic. I was like, oh God, how do I enter? Thank God I had small sense to like dress a bit. I meet up to dressing at least. So I could not enter. I was like, oh God. But I managed. I entered the place. I came out. I don't want to go and sit down. They will not tell me what I want. I will not go and request nonsense. And when there's time to pay, I will not be scared, So, but I was loaded. Those days I started making small money, so I was loaded. I came with 2 of my cards to make sure if one doesn't work, the other one should work. I was prepared, So then she came late. She was calling me, I'm sorry. She came late. I spent some time outside. I was walking around that Lekki as this. I was just strolling on the street until she came. I told her I'm outside. She said, she's inside. I said, yeah, I just came out to take fresh air. I'm strolling. She said, I should come. It was by the seaside. That place was exotic. It was by the seaside. We sat down by the seaside. So we're just watching the sea, looking at boat and ships that are passing. I was just looking at everybody. I'm like, wow, what a life. So is this how you live your life? Now, I'm bringing this story for a reason. It was now like in the evening, around like 8:30. Jesus. I wanted to kill this girl with questions. God. Why? I understood what dating was or what dating is. Come and see question. I fired this girl with questions. I will ask, she will answer, I will ask. At a point, she now said, Raymond, do you want to ask all the questions in one day? How about we'll meet again now? That was when it dawned on me that, like we're all growing, right? Now I can add a fizzy to it. I can create time for 2-3 dates. I can be flexible. I can ask the question without asking the question first. I can even ask the question via chat. But this one, the questions were plenty. And they were deep and important questions. So at a point, she now said, Raymond, it's okay now. You're going to ask all the questions in one day. We'll meet again now. I'm like, oh, it's true. And I said, okay, I will not ask again. So the way I said it, she noticed that, maybe she has pissed me off. She now said, I hope you're not angry. She said, I know you will ask again. I said, no, I won't ask again. She didn't know that part of me that I'm disciplined. Like when I say stuff, I keep to them. I said, I won't ask again. So like, are you angry? I said, no, I'm not angry. I said, it also dawned on me that of it true, I was really asking a lot of questions. And the one I've asked is actually enough for the day. So I said, okay, so at that point, they brought stuff,